the radar screen. Now we're trying to choose what to buy and what to sell, and just by looking at it now, we identified that the Eurocad is actually, even though it is not one of the ones that we trade often, but now it is a brilliant setup. If it gets below the 140.27, that is a brilliant selling point. So we go to the Eurocad, and it will take a second. So below 140.20, now this is our selling point. It is also my structural short point on the intraday. Let me make sure that I have the number correct. 140.27. And of course it is going to be our stop. And you see, when you follow a specific methodology, you're able to identify things in a second, and you know exactly what you're doing. So now we're done with the Eurocad on the short side, and as far as on the long side, it closed at 140.30. And it has failed to break above the 140.130 several times, so that is our structural point. So we'll only buy it above 140.130. It's a little bit far away. So we're buying it above 141.30. That is going to be our structural long point from last week, and of course in this case it is going to be our stop. One of the very powerful tool market that we have is that radar screen. You're planning, putting your long points, your short points and stuff like that, and during the day using those columns to identify strength and weakness and where you're going to place your buys and sell signals, and which is the one that is the least, gives you the least risk and allows you to buy more. Okay, so this is the Eurocad. So